Welcome back. I have another wig for you from the Wig Company. This one is from their Statements collection. It's their Beautiful Choice wig in the color K13 Midnight Brown. It's made of synthetic fiber. It's a long layered wig with bangs that can be worn to the front or side. A velvet lined ear tabs with an extended velvet nape allows it to sit comfortably on the scalp. Designed with a capless construction and is open wefted all over. Alright, so let's get into it. All the other information pertaining to this wig and the website information will be found in my description. Okay, so let me try this on for you. And this wig is actually glueless, so you don't need to add any glue or anything like that. You basically just throw it on and go, which is perfect for my beginners. Like I showed you guys earlier, this wig does not have any combs or clips attached or included, so if you feel you might need a little bit more support, you will have to install those. But it does fit very snug at the moment, so I don't think that would be an issue. And it is synthetic. This is not human hair, but you can certainly get a few wears out of this. And I think I'm also going to show you a couple different ways you could potentially style this wig. I'm just trying to get rid of the straggly dagglies so the hair isn't poking me in my eyes. I didn't end up catching this part on camera, but what happened was I wanted to add a little curl to my bangs at the front. I ended up frying the hair instead, so don't do that. So I had to cut a little bit more hair at the front, which ended up making my bangs look a little bit more thicker, which I didn't mind actually. I kind of like it. So please don't make the mistake of using heat on this wig because it's not heat friendly. Now I'm just brushing off the hairs off my face. And if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this hair does get matted quite easily, so you'll have to look out for that. But like I said before, if you guys are looking for something that's quick and easy, and say you're in a pickle and you need something fast and somewhat inexpensive, this could be an option. Okay, so this is the first way that you could style this wig. Just wear it down, and then I'm just gonna add a couple of whooped earrings just to make the look pop a bit more. Yeah, and there you have it. Look number 1 is complete. Now for look number 2, I'm just gonna pull out a couple strands at the front and then pull the rest of the hair back into a ponytail and use some of the hair to wrap around the ponytail, then use a hairpin to hold it into place. And that's it for look number 2. Quick and easy, very simple, nothing too extra, and you have 2 different looks that you can wear this wig. I feel I would wear it like this maybe on those hot summer days when you don't want a lot of hair on you. You can just pull it back in a little ponytail and rock it like this. Very business attire, very party friendly. So that's all I got for you in this video. Remember to check my description box. I do have 30% discount. It will be available in my description. All the information pertaining to this wig and the discount code is in my description box. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.